Hey everybody, Art Edmonds here for Lazydays RV, the RV Authority. And today we're taking a look at a 2022 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.5. It comes with a Freightliner XC5 chassis and a Cummins 6.7 liter diesel engine. Super powerful. Full body paint on the outside. Full power retractable awning and slide topper. Take a look at this. When you're at your campsite, you don't have to go inside for entertainment because here you have a 40-inch flat screen TV and sound bar. Around the back, 10,000 pound towing capacity, a 6 kilowatt generator, and a tankless hot water heater. Sound good? Let's take a look at the inside. Well, when you walk in, you'll notice that cool AC, dual ducted AC. For the driver, a fully digital dashboard, 2 swiveling captain's chairs, and when this is engaged, you get bunk over cab sleeping capability. The sofa converts into sleeping, as well as the dining area. And when you're dining, you can watch your 39-inch flat screen TV with soundbar. In the kitchen, we have solid surface countertops, induction cooktop, full-size microwave, residential refrigerator with an ice maker. You ready for more? Let's go. And back in the main suite, a tilt-a-view inclining queen bed so you can watch your 32-inch flat screen TV. And take a look at this. Stackable washer and dryer already installed. Plenty of storage. And a set of bunk beds that also convert into a wardrobe closet for hanging and extra storage. And take a look at this beautiful 3-piece bathroom. There you have it. The 2022 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.5. Tons of sleeping options. Residential fridge with ice maker, and washer and dryer already installed. It's here and waiting for you at your RV Authority, Lazydays.